Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to verify Shein account using your mobile device. So keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming updates from us. When you first open up your Shein account, you will receive an email from Shein saying that you need to verify your account. Scroll all the way down and tap on Official and follow the on-screen prompts. Tap on a web browser and the email address that you used while creating an account on Shein will be verified. You can now tap Open Your Application, go to your Profile button at the lower right-hand corner, and you'll be receiving 100 points since you verified your account. Verifying your email account already gives us 100 points in Shein, so that is how you can easily earn points on Shein by verifying your email address. That is how you can quickly verify your Shein account. I hope that tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.